Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Valorant game client error code 43 or 7 that you were experiencing on your Windows computer. It says that there was an error connecting to the platform. Please restart your game client. Let's fix it, guys. First thing I recommend to do, uh, just close out of the Valorant game and then restart your PC, guys. Sometimes simply restart can fix that issue, guys. Go ahead and restart your PC, guys. Restart it. After restarting, if you not get resolved, try this, guys. Go check my video description for this link, guys. After, if there are any issues found in here, you can across game issues all time shown in 24 hours format. Any issues found here will be updated day by day, guys. You can easily find out any issues, and if you want to report any issues, you can click on report an issue and you can easily report it, guys, and you can easily find any solution of it and close out of here. And I'm tell you guys, try flashing the DNS server as well, guys, so it can the server based issue, the server is not running properly. Let's fix that, guys. Go to search menu and type cmd run as administrator. Click on it, click yes. Now here you need to type ipconfig space slash flush ipconfig space slash flush dns. Press enter, guys. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver, guys. You should good to go, guys. After that, you must restart your computer for this, and after that open the game, guys. You should good to go. Hopefully you get resolved, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you, guys. Thank you.